If you're looking for an action camera that packs in rugged build, smooth stabilization, and pro-level image quality, you're in the right spot. In this video, we're reviewing the 5 best action cameras of right now. Whether you're vlogging your adventures, filming fast-paced sports, or going underwater, we'll highlight models that excel in low light, slow motion, and battery life, so you can pick the right one for your needs. Check the description for all product links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Let's jump straight into the list. At number 5, we have the DJI Osmo Action 4. DJI Osmo Action 4 is the ultimate action camera for capturing every adventure in breathtaking detail. Equipped with a large 1/1.3-inch sensor, it delivers stunning 4K footage with exceptional low-light performance, ensuring every moment from sunrise to sunset is crisp and vivid. Experience true-to-life colors with 10-bit and D-Log M-Color performance, making your videos pop with cinematic brilliance. Whether you're riding waves, skating, or exploring the great outdoors, your content will look professional and eye-catching. With 2 extra batteries and up to 160 minutes of recording, this action camera keeps up even in extreme cold, so you never miss a thrilling moment. Its rugged design and waterproof capabilities make it perfect for any adventure. Enjoy 4K/120 FPS ultra-wide footage, magnetic quick release, and 3 stabilization modes for smooth, steady shots every time. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a must-have for content creators and adventure seekers looking to elevate their videos to the next level. At number 4, we have the GoPro HERO12. GoPro HERO12 takes action filming to a whole new level with jaw-dropping 5.3K resolution and high dynamic range video and photos. Capture every detail in bright sunlight or deep shadows, ensuring your adventures look crisp, vibrant, and cinematic. Perfect for content creators who want professional quality footage in any environment. Bring your videos to life with 27 megapixel photos and up to 24.7 megapixel frame grabs from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Whether it's epic mountain rides, skate tricks, or family moments, HERO12 delivers stunning, true-to-life colors and detail that make every shot unforgettable. Featuring Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, HERO12 turns even the shakest footage into silky smooth cinematic clips. Run, bike, ski, or chase adventures, your footage stays flawless, with minimal cropping and maximum stabilization. Built to last, HERO12 is rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet. With a water-repelling lens cover, enduro battery, and essential mounts included, it's adventure-ready straight out of the box. This is the ultimate action camera for thrill seekers and creators alike. At number 3, we have the AKASO Brave 8. AKASO Brave 8 redefines action filming with stunning 4K 60 FPS video and 48MP photos, powered by a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor and quad-pixel technology. Every adventure is captured in incredible detail, while the 9-layer glass lens ensures sharp, vibrant footage that makes your content pop. Take your creativity underwater with confidence. Brave 8 is waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, and 196 feet, 60 meters with a case, letting you explore oceans, lakes, or pools with ease. Capture underwater life or extreme sports without worrying about durability. This camera is built to keep up with you. Create cinematic masterpieces with 8K time-lapse and 16x slow-mo for breathtaking slow-motion shots or stunning time-lapse sequences. Super smooth stabilization ensures your videos remain steady even during the wildest action-packed adventures. With visual remote control, dual rechargeable batteries, and a full accessory kit, AKASO Brave 8 is adventure-ready right out of the box. It's the perfect choice for content creators and thrill seekers wanting pro-level results without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Insta361RS. Insta361RS is the ultimate action camera for creators who want versatility and pro-level footage. With interchangeable 4K boost and 5.7K 360 lenses, you get 2 cameras in one. Stunning wide-angle videos or immersive 360-degree shots for endless creative possibilities. Capture every moment with 48-megapixel photos, 6K widescreen video, and active HDR, ensuring your content is vibrant, detailed, and cinematic. From epic adventures to daily vlogs, Insta360 One Res makes every shot look professional and eye-catching. Enjoy flow state stabilization, delivering buttery smooth footage no matter the lens or action. Whether you're biking, skiing, or exploring new places, your videos remain steady and polished without extra editing. With the invisible Selfie-Stick feature, you can create impossible drone-like shots and third-person perspectives without ruining the frame. Packed with cutting-edge features, Insta360 One RS is perfect for thrill seekers and content creators looking to elevate their videos. And finally, at number 1 we have the AKASO EK7000 Pro. AKASO EK7000 Pro is a powerhouse action camera delivering 4K/30 frames per second and 1080p/60 frames per second video with 20MP photos, capturing every adventure in crisp detail. From fast-paced sports to scenic landscapes, this camera ensures your footage is sharp, vibrant, and cinematic. Featuring an ultra-bright 2-inch IPS touchscreen, you can easily preview, playback, and switch settings with a simple tap. Its intuitive interface makes controlling your shots effortless, perfect for both beginners and seasoned content creators. With electronic image stabilization, EIS, your fast-moving adventures, biking, skiing, or running come out silky smooth, eliminating shaky footage and giving your videos a professional edge. Built to endure, EK7000 Pro is waterproof up to 131 feet with its upgraded case and comes with two 1,350 mAh rechargeable batteries, providing up to 140 minutes per battery. It's the ideal choice for thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts who demand performance and durability in one affordable package. If you're looking to capture every adventure with clarity and excitement, these action cameras deliver an experience that's truly hard to beat. Whether you're into extreme sports, travel, or underwater exploration, each option on this list brings something unique to the table. If any of these caught your eye, check the links below to explore them further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more guides that help you capture life's best moments. See you in the next video.